Memwache mwakwaba Badwam sune de adu so ne nkase bonsam no de obetie bi ene se eniama amabronya die ye de no abeto dwase ne bo na akoso ya Adom kase ne adwadifo bi atwetwe nkomo na akwa asante mantam adwa kase ba ko ho no ye race course adwadifo kire mu adwa no enkoso kra Aisha Huang nso China ni ya ofa amrasha ne nsem betu fom agudie wo mai mu abra no ne tumi krata no empanifo so nkotwera ban kokomu emfie nan ene atwe we ne nsem ahodo bi nam de so mo se Badwam so kase DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 Facebook on Adom TV extra wushia me a friend I'm not sure wapa ajwa se wa fensem ni nchwe mo no me de to so amam amana bofo atiesi monten so enche na bronya no ba nti akade ahodo bi etese bronya dua Christmas tree eche ye kokko ni fufu space ahodo de de bobo ye nsa ya ni nyina ye bronya ho ne ma de ba besi knockout ye no krampanimfo de so na to so no ni nyina aboa kosoro pa na no ne amane bofo ne wo mo eton ni bi twetwe nkomo no chese wo de afi toto afrase ho afrase ne bo no wo fom ne nei dollar ne bo ne so okra ne ma bedu o ma ma sike wo se wutua wo port ansa na wayi nika ho bi na amane ma ne bo ehurisa
tiafo baby amegina eye Accra Central o hwemiche ya ma hye ya na chese bronya mu a na ye kɔ no Fio Enterprise na megina yi ena ye ba ye be hwe said the Christmas enema de adidi bronya ye decoration ni ade ne bo etie de adwadifo yi eka ene se enema bo aye den o hwe taxes a eda enema wo kreframa no ne so bo my Ghana mu eye Christmas enema yi a wontimi nto kra wonya kɔtɔ ye no eno so bo aye de wo hwe se ade a mekura mu yi na eye 12 cedis last year this year wo ton no 50 Ghana cedis na che se 38 cedis ena aba beto so ne bo anya bo ketwa ohweche yi a ehye yi a o che se wo ton 7 cedis last year afi wo moton 20 cedis Adom kase ne dwadifo bi atwetwe enkomo de wo mo di tu dwa enie
we first bo na 7 cedi last year na 7 cedi ene bo 20 akụ say 20 cedi we first na 5 cedi ne ba akụ 15 cedi first say akụ say na 5 last year na 5 cedi ni 7 cedi we last year na 10 cedi and then you turn 25 cedi. And then last year, you 20 cedi, and then you turn 35 cedi. Christmas train, no. Last year, you 25 cedi, and then you turn 50 cedis. The price is new or high. So until tomorrow, muka kase the way amu di maya. And so you have to me out to my number from
50 Ghana for 1 dozen. First is 20 Ghana, 22. Now this year is 50 Ghana. If somebody to go and give something, but she can't buy it.
Into where do I say and our bar? Ukura ema ennan anase enum abetimi ato ama wo ana wato bi e de ache obi yesi bronya mu idie ye bekoso afa krom midin e de akuya echa oyi akwan Adom kase yeso ni abusiafo baby amegina eye Accra
Yegusuwa wodwade mu nsemu ne nkwa asante mantam edwa kase ba ko ye wo ho eye race course na edwadifo ne chemu a edwane nko ye kora ene se bia ye wo wo na kwan ye badwom ho no no ne nyina anye papa nkanka dansu beto de ne sa teche tenkon ya hyenkafo fomu a enye ye ka ho bi ntia ma edwadifo no won ha won ho kora ensuo nto eso ne mfutru se ewura wo mo hwene mu ani nti wo srempanifo ye yensiesie wo race course dwane mo ye se ne woni mu ya no wo me yensiesie mo sabi ya bronya dwa ye bekoso yi wo mo so benya kakra de atokotoku mu
faso bia waso ya sura ne de ko promote dia ko no ti afi de obia beton ko promote na dia ba ya ne sai ko so na mu nyina no mu yie afi ne dia ba ya ne sai chopa ya de yan son hwe na ho betima bibia amaye ti emben fo no ba no mo ne ya ta se ko ya nya ya mame ma o pare wo e dia ko tu se ya ni ma e wo race course ya ke ampa mo ko ya no eni na sapura ana penfo saba me na so bi e bu tam se e die ba die no me hia nam ti de me hia na sa ta che wo race course wa e be firi amaye
o de adansie won ema e hyen dunum ene cement ahasa ena akoma adwadifo yi se be ya sika wa keka bo mu no obetimi di we nso api so na adwuma pese wo de ye wo dwanim no otimi aye awie adwadifo yi hwe kwan se kajetia phase 2 project no wo wi a wo ho be hen ha wo
and
Yemfi ho na yenko Aisha Huang ensem emu we China ni na emfie kakra ne beto odwa se maami wa fam Russia ensem otufo mu agudie ya wodi ho tumi kwata sanso no afa kwati kwanso e de ne kromfo bia bepie wo mayi mu a wo mo eye fo mu agudie ho adwuma asa afa wo madwuma asensuo sensase na wabra court no kwa asetena no obubu sisin ye no a empanimfo asigina ye se Aisha Huang yi won kwatwera ban kukumu emfie 9 ene fa esa de sikabutini bi ato no se wontua mpatesika emo my Ghana.
Point of view, are you satisfied with this?
Yes, we are satisfied. You know, this offense was committed before 2019, that was between 2015 and 2017, and the law then was that the maximum sentence should be 5 years. So having been in custody for over 12 months, based on a constitutional provision on the, which imposes a duty on the judge to consider the number of years that person has spent in custody, we think that 4 years, 6 months is reasonable in the circumstance. If you look at our constitution, Article 19(6) is to the effect that if you arrest someone and you charge him for committing an offense some time ago, if you are able to prosecute him successfully and he's to be sentenced, the sentence then should be the sentence that you can use. You cannot use the new regime. And so far the sentence then was to the fact that the maximum of 5 years, we think that's the right position of the law. We can also not amend our constitution at this stage, but that's the law even worldwide. At the time they commit the offense, the punishment there is what you are supposed to be given when you are convicted for that offense. We were aware of it, that's why we came to court, and we knew that the maximum that we could get would be 5 years.
Wana yenko eye abatan ne adesuafo mu ensem emu na BC instruction no ho resource by na SHS ento asusuku ahodo kono adesuafo bu na wo manya bia ye wo so koto won suku so nti na mpanifo hye bia ye ya bekono akope bie na abatan ne adesuafo National Resolution Center no a wo mo atie no ya ma ne bofo akohwe se do madi nsenseme wo
school amanya school nti ya be ye we ni bi na amaje pepa no one friend into me ba machi 3:30 na ma be salary
ahokyere nyina awofo num ene wonum mamu afami asukufo abie suku a sese nkwadai etimi ekọ na wo mkoye registration ene orientation ebi
ye gina sese ye Accra High School one auditorium nti se hwe mbafoma na akyerɛkyerɛfo wo ha na obi bese process na dan hyehyɛ wo do wo fam na waje hona atum da esuafo wo school no mu no ono na wogudo a where from no esuafo no bi in Adom ka share isin komo.
This is good. Feeling no kakra many aje 7B school me shene boss me ade
ya kakra asem yem hihim kakra because me nim there wa se pa say wenya me ho abotre ama metumi edu school mu ha na me shene boss me ngu nenim aseda oni me papa ni na
wa ngumasia mu ensem emu na soafo yo hwe ngumasia ho nsem so doctor will say ya waduchu mo de nsem atudwa no wache sa disuafo no ya wo mu bie no se na no ado ka se no adwo no wo mu nko no na wo hanfo do no ado wanu atomu se ama ba tan kwan mo amo abo wo mu ye na so panyini chemu a wo mo de ebra nkwada no bebie school betu dwanye ne enti wo ma ba tan no kwan pi se wo mfa mo abo mo sanso e na nhia de ahonko akoso asue ne ka ho bi achechefo nka bomo bo ka mo bi na afi no achechefo ene abatan PTA enso so eka ho bi na wo mu nyina si gina ye se enu ada na adesuafo no emie se de wode nhemu eto adom kase ni mu ne
hwe adesua ensem so Dr. Yawase Yaduchum insembia wode yatodwa ene se wagina ye a womasi ye no nti no wahye se SHS1 adesuafo nyina formani enkyere sukuu mu ene no ene se ebeboa ama academic calendar wode yedi dwuma no atumi asanso so asine dademu.
As at the time of placement release 477,772 candidates representing 81.56% of the students who qualified for placement were automatically placed. For the first time, the Ministry of Education, with its relevant agencies and stakeholders, developed a national harmonized prospectus for all senior high school and TVET students. And the same was published in the Daily Graphic on November 15th, 2023. The purpose of the publication was, among other things, to give parents ample time to buy the prospectus items and get their house ready for school on December 4th, 2023.
Emo Director Emma EKGS Culinary Institute Ghana Efua Good Obenche wade nsema hodo atodwa no woche se so manfo dodo no ani je saa desuan ho a wasanye bia no wunya entity ye free ye agumasuye mu kakra ka me asa se ya fa na se wo mu asu aduane no ane ade no dodo no ane ka so koyi home konsa na se utie wu wose ente sakra na wade nsema nyina atodwa wa bra na wo mu epon enipa beye oha ane aduasa ho ya wo mu abesua nsanu dwuma yi enam school kwanso ya wo kwa bonten na wakodi wonjuma
in what we do. You have to be crafty. It is a woman in Quenima, and yeah, they obey my journal. And if you are not well educated, you just do the basics. You can't do it to excel. It is a wusu I didn't know about home body. Who to me age my way in a way to so.
And wachi, Osaka de can say Institute and wedding she gua quema, ever say a better school fees so, or hundred chimwedionum at the Amadisian footwa, Sika and Seda any fear.
Yeah, the next day I had to put idea 2 years. So he said, in my speech, I mentioned, say, Yabebwa 10 less privileged students for next year. They are showing via structure and new ma baby bet me about join here. In Babum baby or home person bet me suage my way, but Sika some Nanyama Suya de Wamu. It will go a long way to ease the financial burden. No more to me, baby, Kayan Wession.
Sansemi so na mijina na bedwam so kasia me de esomo ne wuku ne brada anopai me de nyina esi abusu ama menka wo se ye dan ye ho aba ne ye ba de obon krata pensim mu online portal so nsam no ebeto so bedwam so ni enko bia